Hi, today I want to show you how I am dealing with a lot of flies. So after all this rain, we have had quite a few flies establish themselves and it gets a bit much. So I want to show you a cheap way to deal with them. Are you going to come and help me? What have I got? You want some Gatorade? Do you like the orange one? You're so cute. Okay, so all you need is some plastic bottles, empty plastic bottles. You need some dishwashing liquid. I got some apple cider vinegar and the bait, which is some old prawn head. So you want it to be very stinky. You can't have any, I'm sorry. These are disgusting. Ew. You want to lure the the flies in with it. Do you like orange? But what you also have to do is you need to pop some holes in your bottles, and I'm going to do that with my stuff. I'm going to do it by just melting some holes in the plastic, and then the flies can get in, they fall into the trap, and then they can't get out. So I don't know what the best, I think it would be best to empty everything in, give it a shake, and then put the holes in. Yes. Okay. My little workstation. Okay. I don't want to touch prawn heads because that's gross. What I want to do is put a little bit of apple cider vinegar in. I actually don't know the ratios. Nope. A little bit of dishwashing liquid. So the dishwashing liquid serves to break the surface tension of the liquid, so the flies will fall in and then get trapped. Ugh, yep, it's bad. I feel like the flies are already on me. Scruff, do you want one? She's disgusting. Oh, I'm gonna have to touch these. So these were only shelled yesterday, so while they stink to us, she is fine eating them. They're just disgusting. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of water in here. So I've seen the other things that you can use to help create a trap or to help lure flies, anything stinky. Yeah. So I've heard people use like dog poo, other rotting meat, urine. Ideally, you want to put this somewhere in the yard where it's not close to the house. So what I'm going to do next is light heat. Yeah, heat this bit of wire up so that I can melt some holes inside. The wind is not helping me here. So hopefully this will just melt some holes. Yep, that worked. But we want it to be fly sized. Have a go at you. Gross. Flies can always find their way in, but they can't seem to find their way out. Okay, we've got a few little holes there. So that's one. Now we'll do the big boy. Okay, we have got several holes fly size in this bottle and this bottle. So now all we have to do is hang them up. We have an abundance of this blue twine because it's what the sugarcane mulch comes in, or wrapped around rather, and we have so much of it. So I'm going to reuse some of this, and God, I hope I don't spill any of it on myself. I'm also an expert at tying knots, just in case you were unsure. Yay, magic. All right, be right back. Ooh, that's not gonna work. So I will come back in a few days and see if these were a success. If so, that's good because I don't have to spend money on any traps. I have previously bought them from the nursery or Bunnings or something like that. And this is just a much better low cost and recycling old materials. So free garden win. So hopefully we have far fewer flies. Okay, I've come back a couple of days later to check on my fly trap, and this is how it is going. I do feel a bit bad for them, especially this one that's still alive, but it's effective. Sorry guys, I don't know. I have empathy for flies, but it worked.